Trade Genius.
What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Hey, just wanted to let you guys know we have a few hours left on our specials that are expiring tonight. And again, you can get for $349 for 12 months, you can get into the room with us and our different signal services, ETF, binary options, and crypto. And that's a really good value that will pay for itself immediately with the amount of signals that we have going out right now. And we also have some other, if you're interested in education and things like that, we have these other bundles. So just wanted to run that by you. Those specials are ending tonight at midnight. So check that out. All right, so what we're gonna do in this video, guys, we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin. It's been a few days since we did an update. We're gonna do a weekend update. And what I'm looking at on Bitcoin, again, going back to the weekly level, guys. So weekly levels, basically we are at the, remember we said we're getting into this range. This range was based on this area here where price retraced and then broke out back in September of 2017, so over a year ago. And now we've kind of retraced into that zone. We are now getting toward the bottom of it. And here's the thing that we want to key in on now. Below this zone, there'll be another fight here from 2,800 to 2,000. But you know, everyone wants to know, is the bounce going to happen here or not? So if we look at the daily chart, okay, so daily chart, we have a descending wedge. All right, those typically are bullish for Bitcoin, and we are getting toward that bottom end of that linear regression channel. So looking for bullish divergences and things like that. Do we have that? We're starting to see, yes, that we do have a bit of a bullish divergence here. So key thing here would be to break this upper trend line on Bitcoin to get a move. Then it's a matter of, well, where's the move going to go? Again, we're looking at most likely up to this area here of around 4,200 is going to be the likely target from this for a bounce. So yeah, it would be like $1,000 would probably be the max. And unless we see a lot of volume come in, we could push higher. But right now, that's going to be the lid. And actually, guys, and most people don't look at this, but the WMA 20 right at 34, 33, really need to see a move above that. Right now, everything's been just kind of tagging that moving average. I like that moving average because it's kind of a momentum moving average. Price will respect that on its current momentum, which is down, unfortunately. But that would have to clear that level again on the daily. That's going to be 34.50. So, but we could see a surge here. We'll see how the. I don't think really anything of significance is going to happen until we get into the trading week that's coming up. As far as the altcoin, something that you may or may not know, you can now do the altcoin market cap in TradingView, and you would just type in total two, and under indices or indexes, depending on how it's worded there. But anyway, look under index and total two, and you can get the total market cap. Total market cap. Total two is without Bitcoin, so that's what we have here. So this is the altcoin market, and again, there's just really no bounce coming overall. There's a few select names that do bounce here and there off technical levels and things of that nature. But in what we're looking at probably is not seeing any kind of bounce until we get down to the 29 billion market cap. So that's about $11 billion lower. Okay, and that there's going to be a case for some support there. Otherwise, we're kind of breaking down into an area of support. This area here of support around 44 billion market cap was a little bit of a bounce. If you zoom in, you can see it, but just didn't really sustain, and it's leaking lower. So again, I think you're just seeing more just a lack of buying and people selling off. You got to think too, a lot of these ICOs and things like that are selling tokens to keep their projects going, and that's part of the problem here. So I think that's a little bit of a negative feedback loop until we see volume come in and probably back into more quality projects. So you're going to see a lot of projects die on the vine. We talked about that earlier in the year, where you're going to see a contraction in the alt market, and that's what's going to happen here. So yeah, again, look for that bounce, but not till we see about $11 billion lower. I think would be a spot where we see a potential bounce there. And once we do get that bounce, we're probably again looking maybe at retesting this $51.8 billion market cap level. So that's those would be areas where if you're looking to swing trade, that you would take some stab there. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, week ahead stuff. We do have a bullish divergence, so breaking above this trend line would be key. And then beyond that, we need to clear the 3,400 level, let's call it, right? And then see what that gives us. If we can close above that on the daily, then I think that opens up actually a move back up to 4,200. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.